want to see how I made these adorable strawberry sourdough Pop-Tarts? Follow along.
You're going to start by grating 8 tablespoons of butter and then add a cup of flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a cup of your sourdough starter, and then 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And mix that all in, incorporate it really good. Once that's all incorporated, use your hand to knead it to make sure it's a nice firm ball of dough, and then put it between 2 pieces of plastic wrap. I rolled it a little bit out at this point just so that it cools or would chill quicker, because I was doing this at night before bed. Just roll it out a little bit and then stick it in the fridge for at least 1 hour or overnight. Now you're going to want to roll it out into a rectangular shape, or in my case, an oval. I used heart-shaped cookie cutter to then cut out, I think I made 8 hearts, I think. Once I cut out the hearts, I also used my thumbs to push to make more of an indent for the jelly to sit in so that it doesn't squeeze out the sides. And then use an egg wash to help adhere the sides to each other. Rub along the edges, and then fill with your jelly. And put the top on, also putting an egg wash on the top before you set it on, and then using a fork to secure the edges. After this, you can bake at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, make your icing by blending. I used my immersion blender to blend dehydrated strawberries to give it that pink color, and add powdered sugar and then a little bit of milk, and stir that until pretty thick so that doesn't slide all over. I strained, after I blended the strawberries, I strained them as there were some chunks, and then I used those chunks to mimic sprinkles on top of the Pop-Tarts.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it yourself at home. And please subscribe and like this video and share it with others to help to spread my channel and help it grow.